When it comes to the things I get the most compliment from, it will be how I smell and how I look and how bright my skin is. A lot of people always ask me, what cream do you use on your face? What cream do you use on your body? So how do you maintain your complexion and all? Now, when it comes to skincare, I'm not a skincare junkie. So if you want to know all the things I use to be able to maintain my skin complexion, keep watching as I go into details on all of these things, okay? The first thing I want you to know is it does not matter the color of your skin. If you're white, if you're black, if you are taking care of your skin from the inside, it's going to show on the outside, which means the priority should not just be on what you put on the outside. It should be first about what you put inside of your body. That is what will reflect on the outside of your body, which means you've already done the major work. The only thing is the one that you're going to be doing outside is just like an additional touch. How I take care of my body for me to look always glowy and all. Now, there is no doubt that genetics has a role to play in all of this. I will not lie, I have a good gene. Have a good gene, which means I don't react to a lot of things. I don't react to a lot of, I don't react to a lot of things. The first thing I do is I drink a lot of water. I drink a lot of water. See, in a day, I cannot count. I drink a lot of water. Now, drinking a lot of water helps to hydrate my body, help to flush out any toxins. Like I drink, as soon as I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is drink water. The first thing I do is drink water. If I have lemon in the fridge or I have lime, I just squeeze like half a lemon into a glass of water and I drink. That is the first thing I drink in the morning. And if I don't have lemon or lime in my fridge, I drink my water like that. So the point I'm trying to make is I drink water a lot. Apart from starting my day with water, I also drink water throughout the day. Now, when I noticed before I started drinking water, I noticed that I was always constipated. My skin was not always bright. But when I started drinking water, I noticed that my urine, became clearer. My skin became clearer as well. And for constipation, it reduced a lot. Okay, so drinking water for me is like my second, I don't know, my second best thing. So I've gotten so used to drinking water that when I go out, I carry my water because I don't know where I'm going, if I'm going to get drinkable water that I like. Is another thing. Drinking water, I don't just drink any water because there's some water you will drink, it will start to cause you typhoid and malaria. That is the first thing I would like to point out. Water, water, water. Water is life. Everybody know that. But if you're not paying attention to the type of water you're drinking, you will find yourself getting sick every time. You will not be able to pinpoint what the problem is. The problem can actually be water. The second thing I do that keeps my body fresh and fine always is I take a lot of fruits. I take a lot of fruits. I take them whole. I juice them. I make them as smoothies. Juicing fruits is my best friend. You see, as I'm budgeting for food, I am also budgeting for fruits and vegetables. Yeah. In a month that I don't take fruits, my body is not the same. My body is not the same. So I take a lot of fruit. When I say fruit, I mean fruits like oranges, apples, grapes. I know fruits are expensive. I'm not telling you to go and be buying strawberries and blueberries, and I'm not saying you should buy all of those ones. But if you have the money, you can buy because those ones are also good. Okay, but I'm just telling you that the basic of the basic fruits: pineapple, oranges, apples, pawpaw, which other fruits? Cucumber. Cucumber is a vegetable, yeah, but yes, I still buy all of them. Cucumber, lettuce, cabbage, avocado, pear. bananas. In fact, there's this very popular smoothie I like to make. Okay, I make avocado, bananas, peanut butter, some ice, and some coconut milk. I put everything in a blender, I blend, and I can have this as breakfast sometimes. Okay, so juicing and smoothies and fruits are like something I don't do without. Very, very good. Fruits like carrots, beetroots, a lot of them. They are endless. Mangoes. So it's seasonal for me. Depends on the season of the fruit. Anytime a fruit is in season, I'm going to eat that fruit to the fullest. If it's mango season, I'm going to eat mango. I'm going to make smoothies out of it. I'm going to, every opportunity I find to eat mango, I'm going to eat. When it's time for cherry, the one that is called agbalumo or udala, I would eat it like no man's business. Oranges, these are the fruits I take, a lot of the time. So when you see me, you think I'm using one bleaching cream. I'm not using any bleaching cream. Oh, I'm not using any bleaching cream. So that reminds me, there was a time I went to make my hair. You know, there was a time I went to make my hair in the salon close to the house, and when I went there, before I cut my hair, because I already cut my hair like some 2 months ago or 3 months ago. So I went to make my hair in this salon, and the lady there was like telling me, "Oh my God, I like how your skin looks. I like your skin. I mix cream. I can mix cream for you." I'm like, "I'm sorry, I don't use mixed cream." Now, this is not to slam anybody that is using mixed cream or organic cream. There was a time organic was really organic. Right now, organic can be anything because you don't know what they are mixing for you as organic. So I'm not against people who are using it. It's your choice, it's your life. Do what you want, okay? But what I'm trying to say is, she told me that she mixes cream, that she can mix cream for me. And then I told her, "I'm sorry, I don't use mixed cream." Okay? So she felt bad in a way. So I had to like really explain to her that I'm sorry, it's not about maybe you not making the right cream. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying personally, I don't use mixed cream anymore. There was a time a friend of mine was, selling all of these organic products, and then she told me that, oh my God, she has a very nice cream that she can mix for me, and then I would like it, it would be good for my skin. And then I said, okay. So she mixed this cream, and then I used this cream. Almost damaged my skin for a long time. It almost damaged my skin, my leg. I from that day I swore that I will never use anything organic. And this thing that I'm telling you happened a long time ago. It happened some 6 7 years ago. Okay, so ever since that time, I said to myself, I will not use anything organic skincare. You know what I mean? Except I am so super sure that what you're giving me is organic, is purely organic. Okay, so that is the reason why I don't use mixed cream. So I explained to her, and then she said, "Oh, okay, it's fine." I'm saying all this to say that I, do not use anything expensive. Another thing I do a lot is minimal skincare products. My skincare products, they are very minimal. Now I use Dove, any type of Dove, any color. Dove has different colors. They have the pink, they have the blue, they have the vanilla one, they have the green. Any type of Dove I use. I use body wash as well. I also use body wash from Dove, or any nice body wash that I gravitate towards. But for a while, I have been using Dove consistently. So I use Dove soap, and I use Dove body wash. I also use skin exfoliator. Like, I use body scrub every once in a while. Now, I don't scrub my body every day, and I don't scrub my body every week. Okay? The only time I scrub my body every week, or 3 times or 2 times a week, is when I want to do intensive care for my body. Okay? But aside that, I don't scrub my body every day. I don't scrub my body every week. At most, I scrub my body 2 times or 3 times a month. I also use, of course, moisturizer for my skin, body lotion, and for a long time, I have been on Nivea body lotion, and that is it. And anytime I'm feeling luxurious with myself, I'll buy like extra body oil for my body. For my face care, I use La Roche face wash. I interchange it with the Nivea face wash or face scrub. Now, another thing I use on my face is moisturizer. There was a time I was using the Nivea face cream. I used that for a while. I also used the Dr. Rachel face cream. I used that for a while. What I use for now on my face is CosRX, and that is it. Now I know you'll be expecting me to tell you that, okay, yes, I use sunscreen as well. I am not going to sit here and lie to you. I use sunscreen once in a while because honestly, I can't keep up with the use of sunscreen. That is just the truth. You use sunscreen in the morning, and then every 4 hours or every 2 hours, you have to reapply the sunscreen. I couldn't keep up with the use of sunscreen. Now I don't even know. I don't even have a way of being able to tell if the sunscreen is actually working or not. They say you use like on 3 fingers or 4 fingers every 2 hours or every 3 hours or every 4 hours. There is no way for me to tell that, okay, this sunscreen I'm buying is working. There is no way to tell. So I'm just using sunscreen based on marketing. And I have used all of this sunscreen. See, I kid you not, I have used a lot of all this sunscreen, and I could not really tell what they are doing on my skin. I just decided I'm not going to use sunscreen anymore. And for now, I'm not going to use sunscreen anymore until I see the need, till I see what the sunscreen is actually doing on my skin. That's what I use for my body, face to toe. That's what I use for my body. Another thing I do that helps maintain my skin complexion is having a general body routine. This I cannot emphasize enough. For every week, there is a day of the week that I pick out. Sometimes, depending on how busy I am, sometimes it can be on a Saturday, sometimes it can be on a Sunday. On that day, I will wash my hair. I will, shave all the places that needs to be shaved. I will, scrub when it's necessary for me to scrub. I will spend time in the bathroom. I will use my soap, I will use my body wash, I will properly scrub my body and wash my mouth, brush my mouth, use my tongue scraper, do all of these things every week. So having a day, set aside a day in a week that you do a general body routine. That one as well will help overall hygiene. Let me add that taking showers twice a day is a game changer. Taking showers twice a day, brushing twice a day is a game changer if you're looking to up your hygiene game, your body hygiene game. Taking showers twice a day, brushing twice a day is a game changer. Do it for yourself. You're not necessarily doing it for anyone. Some ladies would do these things only when their partner is around or when their partner is coming over. You don't necessarily have to do these things for your partner. You have to do it for yourself first, and then your partner will benefit from it. Okay, now I'm speaking not just for ladies, I'm speaking for men as well. So men will say, oh, money is the beauty of a man. Money is the beauty of a man. But if you're smelling, a woman will come, collect your money and go to the one that smells nice. They will come, they will collect your money, but they will abuse you in their mind and tell you that your mouth smells, or your armpit smells, or you smell so bad, you don't wash your clothes. They will abuse you, but when they are with you, they will not tell you the truth. You are busy chasing money and you forget that your body is the one that is doing all the work. All the money that you're chasing is your body that is doing all the work. At the end of the day, taking care of your body is as important as chasing money. So as you're chasing money, please make time to care for yourself. Make time to care for your body. Make time to care for your body. Make time to eat right. Understand that things are expensive, but the truth is, if you don't eat right because you say things are expensive, if you go and eat things that are cheap, those things are going to make you sick and you end up spending more money than you would have spent eating right. Okay, I hope this video helps you one way or the other. If you found value from this video, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Gloria. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.